Hi, boys and girls. Chapter 3 is going to be all about learning different strategies for multiplying. I know a lot of you are very excited to start multiplication, but before we do, we want to know a little bit more about what you know and what you understand before we move forward. So, what I'd like you to do today is open your math workbook to page 137. You can do your work on the page so that you can write anything you need to on the page, and then type your answers on in these boxes. Okay, so if you need to, for numbers 1 and 2, if you want to skip count on the number line and draw your lines, you can. Just make sure that you double click inside the box to type your answers. Then I want you to read this word problem. Ryan's class went on a field trip to a farm. They saw 5 cows and 6 chickens. Help to find how many legs were on all the animals they saw. Remember that each cow has 4 legs and each chicken has 6 legs. Try your best and type the answer in the box. Okay, so do what you can, type the answer in the box. So this is just a little introduction into multiplying. The next thing I want you to do is to review your vocabulary cards. These are also in your math workbook, but they are all on the slides for you as well. If you'd like, you can open your math workbook, rip out these cards and cut them so you can use them for later lessons. Okay, so they're all here for you. Then you're going to use those vocabulary cards to type your answers in the box here. Read the definitions, type the vocabulary word in the box. So I would turn, if you have the paper vocabulary cards cut out, you can turn them to the definitions, look at the definition, flip it over to write the vocabulary word. If you don't have the paper vocabulary words, you can go back to the slides and do the same thing there. Then you're just going to review the slide and then type the review words in the correct boxes. So when we make a tree map, we connect related information. So related facts and number sentences are included in both addition and subtraction. You need to then type in the words that go along with addition in these boxes and the word that goes along with subtraction here. Tomorrow, we'll get started with our first strategy for how to multiply.